Christmas is just around the corner, and so I thought I'd find me a little something to jazz up for Christmas. So I found this um, plaid shirt at the thrift store. And so I'm going to try to work with something and get a little snazzier for Christmas. Of course, the red and black stripes is a popular pattern right now. I think it just needs something else. Okay, I picked up this at the thrift store as well. It's a little girl's tutu thing. Now, it's got these ruffles and stuff on it, and I've already cut off one layer, so I think I'm going to have to cut off the next one to make it, so I'll have enough. But anyway, I'm going to add this to the bottom of the shirt. And then I picked this up. This is a pillowcase. And so what I'm going to do is cut the back off of it. It's just plain. And then I'm going to maybe cut that in a circle so it'll fit the back of my shirt. So that's what my plan is. Let's see how it works. Okay, I've got the lace around the bottom of the shirt. I got little leggings on my little mannequin. By the way, my mannequin's name is Sally B. And there she is. So I've got this on, and I had enough to go all the way around. And now I'm going to work on that pillowcase for the back. Okay, I cut and cut and cut on that circle. I don't know how I was lucky enough to come up with this little design right here, but it was just too big. So I kept cutting and trimming it down, but I got all kind of marks on it, so I'm hoping that's going to come out when I wash it. And of course, got the lace on. I showed you that a while ago, but I'm happy with the cut, so I guess accidents sometimes come out for the good. And I think I'll just zigzag that on. Okay, so now I've got it all pinned on. Got it all the way around. So now I'm fixing to take it to my machine and zigzag around it. I've got it under my foot to zigzag around, but I'm just going to use white thread on the top and on the bottom. Since it's dark anyway, I think I'll just go ahead and just leave that black, but I don't know if it's going to show through, so I guess we'll find out right quick. Oh, no, it's not too bad. All right, so I'm going to finish going around this and see how it looks when I take it off. I guess it's going to be okay. All right, well, I'll finish this and then I'll show you when I get through. Okay, I got it on, but I'm not too sure about it. I zigzagged all the way around and it puckered a little bit, so I just wonder if I could probably iron that out. But what I don't know is, see where it's fraying right through here? I don't know whether I should go back and zigzag around that small edge or just wash it and let it fray. I'm not for sure. Also, I don't know, I guess it's okay. It's the same distance, but the way it's positioned, this tree hangs out here, and then the nose is right here, so I don't know if that looks like it's in the middle of it or not. But nevertheless, that's what I got. And I don't think it looks too bad, but not as happy as I thought I would be with it. But, hey, you never know on these things, right? Okay, one more thing. I think I've got a little bit of this lace left over, and I think I might just take this little shiny piece and put it down for my cuffs. I think that will put a little bling bling in it for me. So I think I'll add those two things and then I'll hang it up. All right, on second hand, I didn't like the way it was looking with all the fraying and stuff like that. I just wasn't happy with it. So I'm going to take this little bric-a-brac lace and I'm going to go all the way around it, and then I think that would look a whole lot better. Okay, I think the bric-a-brac stuff looks much better on it. It looks like a finished product now. I'll just press it and now I'll hang it up. Thanks for watching, everybody. Okay, I've got it on. The light is getting bad outside, so I got the light shining. I hope you can see. So anyway, got my little jacket on, added the fringe to the bottom, and then there's my little, what you call it, pillowcase. All right, that's it. Thank you.